Okay, I have to show you this little 24-inch tabletop Christmas tree because it instantly brought all the holiday cheer into my house. It comes with everything you need right in the box: LED lights to wrap around the tree, a sparkly star topper, little gift box ornaments, and these adorable hanging ornaments that look like something right out of a classic Christmas movie. I love that it's small enough for a table, a desk, a bedroom, or even a kitchen counter, but still full and fluffy enough to feel like a real tree moment. Setting it up took maybe 10 minutes, literally just fluff, add the ornaments and the lights, and once it's lit, it gives off that cozy glow that instantly makes the room feel warm and festive. It's perfect for small spaces or anyone who wants Christmas magic without the giant full-size tree. This would make such a sweet gift too for someone in an apartment, a dorm, an office, or just anyone who loves decorating for the holidays without a lot of effort. Huge thank you to the brand for sending me this to try out. It's officially one of my new favorite pieces of Christmas decor this year.